When you're playing hide and seek but your opponent is a literal rug. That look of judgment from the back says it all.
And he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears. Lets me know there's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my
that touches you and you realize you're
for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from up above.
trying to play it cool, but your avocado onesie has other plans for your dignity.
They sing hallelujah.
Ordered a reindeer from a sketchy website, but you are still trying to make the most of the holiday season.
I can see though my eyes are all closed. Yeah, he gives me strength to carry on and always lets me know that I'm fine just the way he made me.
Trying to act like a sophisticated apex predator, but your depth perception is strictly set to dial up.
It's all because of him. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love.
Đó.
Oh, I want
3 bites into dinner and realize you didn't even taste the first 2.
you. I hear angels from above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah.
And 10 minutes perfectly portioning the organic kibble just for him to decide the floor adds better seasoning. Professional interior decorator or just a chaotic roommate? Either way, dinner is served.
Oh, buddy! It's just a rug. See? Scout knows.
Intrusive thoughts win and you realize your snack is actually the hand that feeds you. Trying to have a main character moment, but your cat decides it's their birthday wish too.
I can feel there is somebody here
Trying to act cool, but your internal GPS loses signal and you accidentally switch to breakdance mode.
tonight as he takes away my fears. Oh, I know you.
Cat hits you with that dollar store slap, but you are a cloud and literally cannot feel pain.
Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be I hear angels from
Trying to have a serious conversation, but your friend won't stop doing their best Jim Carrey impression.
They sing hallelujah.
Got some grass.
I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes
Try to pick a
away
fight,
my
but realize you have the upper body
fears.
strength of a wet noodle.
There's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to
Entered this room as a cat and I am leaving it as a high-performance floor buffer.
Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you.
Trying to nap, but the spa staff is way too aggressive with the deep tissue massage.
Ой, я все не трогаю.
Hallelujah.
Нет, не надо, пожалуйста.
Spot a head of lettuce and immediately have to check if your life is a lie or if you have just encountered.
I can see though my eyes are all closed. Yeah, he gives me strength to carry on.
Cat downloads the software for a dog, but the installation file is corrupted.
Find just the way he made
Max.
Imperfection is all because of him.
100% sure you're a dolphin, but your mom is standing right there waiting for you to go to school.
Got my arms open for
Flying off my whiteboard.
This guy's waiting for that pup cup.
Trying to calculate your life choices, but the math just isn't mathing.
Angels from above, they sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah.
Trying to have a dramatic moment, but your roommate is a glitch in the simulation.
They sing hallelujah.
Open a pack of gum in class and suddenly everyone is your best friend.
Yes! Yes!
Miscalculate the distance between a solid surface and a liquid disaster by exactly 1 cat length.
I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching over
Size
me
10 to size
tonight
20
as he takes
space of
away
1
my
year.
fears.
What was causing
Oh, I know
food?
Trying to be dramatic in the rain, but your best friend is actually the one keeping you from drowning.
arms open for your love. Oh, oh, I hear angels from above.
Tell you to get that bread, but you take it a little too literally. Honestly, the googly eyes are the only thing holding my life together right now. Would you like me to come up with some punny hashtags to go with this? You spend 5 minutes calculating the physics of the jump only to realize you are actually just a cow in a cat suit.
Watching over me tonight.
Totally fine. I don't know why it's coming out all loud and squeaky, because really, I'm fine.
Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears. Oh, oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, oh, I want to be near you.
Forget to bring the snacks to the party, but you are the snack.
Angels from up above, they sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. I can see though my eyes
Trying to enjoy your snack, but the local coworker wants to discuss your extended car warranty.
gives me strength to carry on and always lets me know that I'm fine just the way he made me. Every perfect imperfection. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your
Moment when you realize the sock has been in those shoes for 12 hours and you're
Oh, I want to be near you.
trying to act tough, but the gate is literally 90% air and you just lack the basic problem-solving skills to walk through it.
They sing
This is peak orange cat energy.
They sing hallelujah.
10 anime betrayals of all time. I thought we were friends, but you chose violence.
They sing hallelujah.
Dune soundtrack kicks in and you suddenly realize you are the Lisan Algabe of knocking things off the desk. Mid-yawn and remember that you never actually finished that argument you were having with the wall 3 hours ago.
Let me spank that butt.